What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the best video tripods of 2026, from super sturdy heavy-duty ones to compact, smooth operators. Whether you're a vlogger, filmmaker, or content creator, we've got the tripods you need to take your shots to the next level. Let's dive in. K&F Concept 72-inch professional video tripod. I'm telling you, this one is a serious all-rounder. If you're using DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, or even camcorders, this tripod can handle it all with ease. The aluminum tube construction feels sturdy and solid, and you can extend it to 72 inches, which is perfect for getting those high-angle shots or shooting over crowds. It can carry up to 8 kilograms, 17.6 pounds, so you can feel confident even with a heavy camera setup. But here's where it gets fun: the fluid head. Smooth panning and tilting, check. Whether you're doing interviews, B-roll, or time-lapses, the motion is buttery smooth, which is exactly what you need for stable video. The quick release plate makes switching cameras a breeze, and overall, it's just easy to set up and get going. No crazy complex adjustments, just simple, reliable support. Want to snag this for your shoots? Hit the link in the description to get yours. Let's talk about the NEEWER 74-inch video tripod. And if you're looking for something with height and flexibility, this is your tripod. It can go up to 74 inches, which is perfect if you need to shoot over tall objects or want to get really high angles in your shots. Plus, it supports up to 22 pounds, 10 kilograms, which means you can easily carry heavier rigs or gimbals without worrying about wobble or instability. The adjustable damping fluid head is where it really shines. You get a smooth 360-degree pan and plus 90 degrees to minus 75 degrees tilt, giving you that full range of motion you need for those cinematic sweeping shots or high-angle tilts. I really love the dual-mode quick release plate because you can use it with DJI-RS gimbals. It's perfect for those of you who want to easily switch between handheld shots and tripod shots. All in all, if you need something heavy-duty, versatile, and easy to use, the NEEWER TP75 will get the job done and more. Want to grab this for your gear? Check the link in the description. Let's dive into the SmallRig AD-01 tripod. And trust me, this thing is built to last. With 73 inches of height, you can easily get those high shots for B-roll or wide-angle shots. What I really love is the 360-degree fluid head. It's perfect for getting smooth pans without any jerky movements. It's got that quick release plate so you can easily switch cameras and make adjustments quickly. The build on this tripod is super rugged and stable, even on slightly uneven ground. I've used it outdoors for time-lapse shots, and it holds up great in windier conditions too. It supports most DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, and camcorders. And the fluid head works like a charm to help with those smooth cinematic movements. SmallRig really brings its video-first mindset to the table, and it shows. This is a fantastic mid-range tripod that will keep your shots steady and your budget happy. Check the description for the link to grab one of these bad boys. Next, we've got the SmallRig AD-01 FreeBlazer. And if you're serious about getting professional results, this tripod is your ticket. Standing tall at 75 inches, this is a heavy-duty tripod made for cinematic setups. Whether you're using a heavy camera, multiple lenses, or even attaching lights or audio gear, this tripod can hold up to 17 pounds and still keep everything perfectly stable. What sets it apart is the one-step height adjustment. You can change the height quickly without messing around with complicated mechanisms, which is great when you're in the field and need to get those perfect angles on the fly. The fluid head is super smooth, making it perfect for sliding, tilting, and panning effortlessly. If you're shooting cinematic-style content, interviews, or even live events, this tripod will give you that pro-level feel without breaking the bank. Want to grab this for your setup? The link is in the description. Ulanzi VideoFast heavy-duty tripod kit. If you want a solid tripod that's easy to use and durable, this is a great option. With a height of 64.5 inches, it's slightly more compact, but still tall enough for most shots. This tripod is super sturdy and works great for DSLRs, mirrorless cams, and camcorders. The 6-step 360-degree pan and tilt damping gives you super smooth control when you're shooting. I love how lightweight and portable it is, yet it still feels really solid and dependable. It's also quick to set up with its airy lock adapter, which lets you mount your camera quickly without any fiddling. The fluid head is perfect for cinematic moves, and if you need a tripod that can handle fast shooting or even some quick angle changes, this one's a great choice. Check out the link in the description to pick one up. So that's it, folks. These are the top video tripods for 2026. Whether you're after a budget-friendly option, a professional setup, or something in between, there's definitely a tripod here for your needs. Don't forget to check out the description for links to all these models. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop a comment letting me know which tripod you're eyeing. Catch you in the next one.